Hey folks, Watson here from Watson's Reviews. It's CES 2026 at the Redtiger exhibit. Excited to be here. They are one of the leaders in dash cams. Also, we're going to be checking out a 4G LTE battery pack, so that's cool too. Let's go ahead and check it out right about now. Before we jump into the product details, I just want to say as a proud owner of an F17 Elite, I was excited to see what else they had to offer at CES this year. I'll talk a little bit more at the end about why everyone should have a dash cam in their vehicle. But for me, one of the reasons I originally got a dash cam was that apparently I have a more forward-thinking insurance company and found out that I could get a rate reduction by having a dash cam. So just for that reason alone, it's paid for itself, not to mention all the other reasons to own one. So we're going to take a look around the Redtiger booth and see some great options for your vehicle. Let's go. This is a really cool entry in the lineup. This is the VisionPano 40. So it's got 4 different screens, and look at that. You can pan left and right. Your car is totally covered, left to right, back to front. It's got 4-channel DVR with the Starvis 2 sensors, 2.5K front and rear cameras. Then it's got the dual 1080p infrared cabin cameras with 4 IR night vision. It's also got the 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, GPS with voice recording and controls, and you can do looped video recording as well. And it's got a G sensor, so you're covered when you're parking in that parking mode. Also, don't forget about the 128 gigabyte SD card storage. It's cool that you can just fine-tune this to the interior of your car so that you have it exactly lined up with the windows or whatever you want, really. You've got plenty of flexibility there. And this is the F77. This is a 2-channel DVR with the Starvis IM 678 sensor, 4K HDR. It's got that 4-inch touchscreen LCD display, as you can see. GPS with voice recording and controls, and it's got that looped video recording with the night vision and parking mode. Couple this with the 4G LTE battery pack, and you are covered 24/7, 365. It's also got 128 gigabyte internal eMMC storage. Very convenient. And this has to be my personal favorite, the F17 Elite, because it fits my needs perfectly. It's got that 4K front camera, the 2.5K rear camera, and the 1080p cabin camera. And on the display here, it's showing a composite image. Let's see if I can go into the options, take a look here. We got the take a picture. See all the options here. You got your resolution, front cam, interior camera, rear camera. You can select there. Let's go back out. Got your Wi-Fi options, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. That 5 gigahertz is going to be super quick for swapping footage around. And you can set it to loop recording too. It even has fatigue reminder. That's a nice smart feature for you. So as I mentioned, that 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi with the app is going to give you a lot of speed and control over how you handle your footage. Give you an idea of what the front of the cam looks like. It's pretty discreet looking there. This is the F17 Plus. This is actually very similar to the F7 Elite. It just depends on what your preference is. This has that 4-channel DVR with the Starvis 2 sensors and the 2.7 WDR front camera. Again, similar user interface to the F17 Elite. It's got that fatigue reminder, G sensor, loop recording of course. You pick your sound options and volume and then your Wi-Fi settings there. Let's look at the 4G LTE battery pack so that you're covered for while you're parked. This is a great little invention because it takes the place of having to hook it up to your car battery, so you don't have to worry about draining your car battery, and you can still do park monitoring 24/7. So you don't want to see this guy in front of your car at night, do you? Hey guys. It's got that ambient bed lighting, so it's going to enable you to remote monitor, get emergency video notifications with the app, and real-time location tracking and cloud storage. So you can power your whole security system right from the battery, and you don't have to worry about draining your car battery. Very nice. Everybody likes cameras, right? But there's cameras you want, and then there's cameras you need. And I think this kind of covers a little bit of both. You get the Redtiger dash cams, and I think everybody should actually have a dash cam in their car for not only liability's sake, but for peace of mind too. With the combination of the dash cam and the battery pack, you're also covered for parking monitoring. So you've got 24/7 peace of mind. Also, another side note, not all 4K images are created equal. But really a lot of it depends on the sensors and the lenses. These guys have done it great. They've done the Sony Starvis sensors, so you're guaranteed to have a really good image whether it's night or day. There you go folks, that was a lot of fun. Lots of different dash cams to choose from. Bottom line is everybody needs one, so pick the one that you like the best. Check out the information in the description below to pick out yours, and we'll see you next time on Watson's Reviews. Watson and Redtiger, out.